Hi TCS students, this video is on how to use Google Meet. If your teacher has set up Google Meet in Google Classroom to use over and over again, you'll find it right here. Otherwise, your teacher will send you an email with the link. So let's click on Google Meet. Let me turn off this. And let's click Join Now. And for those new students, this is Cuddles, sort of my classroom mascot. So I needed somebody to sit at the teacher desk, and this is who's sitting there. So let's go through some of the basics. Okay, up here, these are the people that are in the room right now. And of course, chat is right here. So if you want to ask your teacher a question, or if you want to ask your teacher a question, you can type it here, or you can also talk to students if your teacher allows. Emphasis on that. So let's go down here to the three dots. And the first one is change layout. You can go to auto, sidebar, which should have the person speaking right here and the other people in the room here. Tiled will have everybody here, and spotlight will just be the person speaking. Full screen obviously will have the Meet go full screen. But if you have it full screen, you probably will not be able to use the chat. Turn on captions. Settings. Let's go to the settings. The settings are audio and visual. So if you have a detached microphone like I have on, or if you want to use the default computer default. Let's come back here. Speakers. Video. Do you want to use just the integrated video, or do you have a separate camera? The standard definition is 360. 720 will give you better resolution. So let's do that. If for some reason the audio in your computer is not working, you can use a phone for audio. If you have any problems, you can report that to Google. Obviously, if you have some abuse problems with people, you can click on that. And if you need any help, you can click here. So right here, turn on and off your microphone. There are times when your teacher is going to say, turn off your microphone because she wants to talk and she doesn't want anybody else interrupting. This is where you leave the meeting. This one, you can turn your camera on and off. Turn on captions, and right here, present now. Usually you want to present your entire screen. And you're going to want to click here and click share. So if I have a document or something else that I want to share, let me go to my drive. So maybe I want to show this picture of a fish. So now everybody can see the picture of the fish. Okay, now To stop sharing, you're going to click here where it says Stop Sharing. And let's go back to Meet again. And that's about it for Google Meet. If you have any questions, please send me an email. I'd be happy to help you with it.